My career bout to blast like bubbly. I'm not waiting for her to say she love me. I can tell she fuck with me, man, trust me. I got a 10-year-old me still like fuzzy. 325 on the dashboard, riding the Porsche, rockin' Tom Ford. I bought out Bernie's new Christian Dior. I took the jet to the New York store. She lit while I'm driving, I'm standing the floor. I took it off track, now I'm riding this sport. You stay in your feelings, you never my boy. I can't come to the hood, I pull a decoy. Another body drop and they scream my name. I'm going to LA on a private plane. Could never come back and my family straight. I'm touchable, no, I'm too rich or too paid. Skeleton, cardiac, black diamond spades. Pull up too deep like a fucking parade. Old jealous ass niggas try to fuck up my pay. Blessed up, Aurora's culling in rain. I put baguettes in my wrist, in my neck, in my ears, in my motherfucking chains. This drip out the trenches, I know you gon' dig it. I go through these motherfucking planes. I cut up my wrist, soaking wet, and Coachella keep calling, they won't see the fame. I took her to China and changed up her climate, and now she ain't talking the same.
5 nights up, still popping and raging. The SVR still living the range. I want her, she wanted the same. And both same time, both glad that they came. Keep me a vibe, I can't keep it contained. No, I keep me some dolls, always keep them in training. Tat a logo on the back of my brain. Don't ask me what the fuck am I thinking. Back of these walls, I'm full of that drink. Air came through with a little entertainment. Air 29 got her looking like space. Houston is a problem where we busting her faces. Shit. I came with the snakes, no squid. Straight up, I broke out the game with a 4-5-6. She loving the fest, I see it. She loving the fest, yeah, I see it on her face. And I'm loving that body and lace. And I love you, little spider and Jack, yeah.